In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a file using AWS S3 in N8N step by step. This is a really useful workflow if you want to automate file handling, move data between tools, or pull files from your S3 bucket for processing inside N8N. Whether you're building a simple automation or a more advanced workflow, this process is quick once you know where to click. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy N8N guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right-hand side. This is where you can add all the different actions and integrations your workflow needs. In the search bar, type AWS S3 and then select the AWS S3 node from the list. This node is what allows N8N to connect to your Amazon S3 storage and work with files stored there. Once you add the node, the next step is to choose the correct operation. From the available options, select Download a file. This tells N8N that you want to retrieve a file from your S3 bucket rather than upload, list, or delete anything. Choosing the right operation is important because it determines exactly what the node will do when the workflow runs. Now, it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to enter the connection information for your AWS account, including your credentials if they have not already been saved in N8N. After that, provide the bucket name where your file is stored. This is the S3 bucket that contains the file you want to download. Then add the file path or object key for the exact file. Make sure this is entered correctly because even a small typo can cause the download to fail. Depending on your setup, you may also need to define the output format or any additional options that help N8N handle the file properly. If your workflow needs to pass the file to another node afterward, double-check that the file will be downloaded in the correct binary format. This is especially important if you plan to send the file somewhere else, save it locally, or process it further in your automation. Before running the workflow, take a moment to review every field. Confirm that the AWS credentials are valid, the bucket name is correct, and the file path matches the object in S3. These small checks can save you a lot of time when troubleshooting later. Once everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Now click Execute. N8N will connect to AWS S3, find the file in your bucket, and download it into your workflow. If the configuration is correct, you should see the file returned as output from the node. From there, you can use it in the next step of your workflow, whether that means storing it, transforming it, or sending it to another app. And that's it. You've now learned how to download a file using AWS S3 in N8N. We opened the AWS S3 node from the right panel, selected Download a file, configured the required details, and executed the node to pull the file successfully. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more N8N tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.